I'm Frankie and I'm a second year DPhil student in Earth Sciences. The bit of the course that I really enjoyed was the session where we looked at our values and we'd walk around the room and see which of our values resonated most with us. And I realised that I really value having structure, discipline and focus because it just means that I'm more productive and therefore I'm happy. So if I have those things in my day-to-day life, then it means I just enjoy everything a bit more. So what's important for me is to be able to be in an environment where I can focus, particularly for tasks like writing or reading. And being in an office environment is quite distracting. So when we did that session and I learned how much I benefit from being able to focus, I stopped coming into the office 9 till 5. And in the morning, when my brain is most awake, I realised it would be more useful if I just take myself off to a library or a quiet space. And then I do like a couple of hours of deep focus, deep work, I think we called it. And then, yeah, that really benefited both my productivity and my happiness. Rather than trying to focus in an office where it's not going to happen, I just went to the library and it helped a lot. I hadn't really become consciously aware of my values, and spending time just really identifying them has been very helpful because I suppose I've realised what makes me me. So now I know that when I'm looking for a job, or even whether it's just a particular activity, it's like, well, does that fit with my values? Am I going to enjoy that? So just really becoming consciously aware of what I really resonate with has been very helpful.